Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prerna Mittal. I am the consultant plastic surgeon at Refine Aesthetic Clinic, Ludhiana. So today we are going to talk about PRP therapy or platelet-rich plasma therapy. You all must have heard about it. It is widely used these days for treatment of hair fall, hair thinning and also for skin rejuvenation. So what is PRP and how is it made? The treatment consists of taking a blood sample from the patient. About 25 ml to 30 ml of blood is taken in a routine way, like you give a blood sample for tests. Though that blood is then processed in a processor, it is centrifuged at a specified speed for a specified time, so that plasma, which is rich in platelets, it separates. That plasma is extracted and then it is injected using very minute needles into the scalp or facial skin, wherever the indication is. Now what is important is that the cells have to be viable. The growth factors have to be viable. For this, in our clinic we have a specialized processor which has inbuilt cooling. The internal temperature is maintained at 16 degrees centigrade, which is important for the cells to be viable. Above this temperature, if the sample is processed, then the cells, most of the cells, they get destroyed because of the heat. So extracting the cells in the right way is the most important step. The injection process is almost painless. We can anesthetize the area also if the patient is very sensitive to pain. We can inject local anesthesia, we can give a ring block, and then with small insulin syringes with very small needles, it is injected. Now how it helps is that the growth factors which are injected into the scalp, they strengthen the root of the hair, they cause hair thickening. The dormant roots, from which hair is not erupting, they get stimulated by the growth factors and new hair growth occurs. New hair growth will only happen if you have roots beneath. If there are no roots, then you need to go for a hair transplant procedure. So this is something which needs to be understood. If there are no hair roots, even no matter how many PRP sessions you take, you will not have new hair growth. But your existing hair will strengthen and they will thicken and your hair fall will reduce. PRP is also used for skin rejuvenation, which is commonly known as a vampire facelift. So following the same process, PRP is extracted, cells are extracted, growth factors are put into syringes, and then with small multiple injections, it is injected into the facial skin. So PRP, when it gets injected into the facial skin, it stimulates new collagen formation. So the skin becomes firmer, the pore size reduces as you take sessions, and even fine lines, they improve. So overall, it has an anti-aging and a rejuvenating effect on the skin. You need at least 3 to 4 sessions at a gap of 4 to 6 weeks. One session will not give you the desired result. Okay? And there are no side effects. It's a completely natural treatment because patient's own plasma is used. We are not injecting anything artificial. There are no side effects of this treatment and there is hardly any downtime. The patient might have redness for a few hours or maximum 1 day. The precaution is not much, but overall you need to use a good sunscreen. This is it. If you have any further inquiry, please feel free to contact us at the given details. Thank you.